In this video, I will show you how to enable full screen mode on PPSSPP easily. Now that will take your game from looking like this to looking like this on full screen mode. Now to do this is very easy. Simply open your PPSSPP emulator, go to settings. Then once in your settings, make sure you are in the graphics section. In the graphics section, just scroll down a little bit. You are going to see display layout and effects. Click on that, and then you see stretch at the top right corner. Click on stretch. Once you've done this, it's totally complete. Just click on back and then go and play any game. Now once you are playing any game, you are going to observe that that game is going to be in full screen mode. So it's very simple and easy to do. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.